Join me for an epic journey through one of Singapore's most vibrant routes. Today, I'll be exploring the breathtaking Marina Bay and taking you all the way to Raffles Place, uncovering everything from world-famous landmarks to tucked-away treasures. We'll dive into the heart of the city's dynamic pulse, capturing everything that makes this walk so extraordinary. With each step, there's something new to discover, and the excitement only grows as we go. So don't miss out, watch till the end for an adventure filled with sights, surprises, and pure Singaporean charm. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures. Your support really helps the channel grow. This time, I'll be starting my walk from Promenade MRT. As soon as you step outside the station, you'll be greeted by the impressive sight of the Singapore Flyer right in front of you. Next, we'll cross the iconic Helix Bridge, making our way toward the stunning Marina Bay Sands. Take your time to walk and appreciate the iconic buildings surrounding you along the way. Each step offers a closer look at Singapore's breathtaking architecture and skyline. At the end of the Helix Bridge, you'll find Singapore's one and only Art Science Museum right in front of you, showcasing its unique lotus-inspired architecture. The Art Science Museum in Singapore is a stunning architectural marvel located at Marina Bay Sands. Designed to resemble a lotus flower, its unique structure consists of 21 petals that open up to the sky, symbolizing the fusion of art and science. It's always enjoyable to take a leisurely walk along the side of Marina Bay Sands and the beautiful Marina Bay. The scenic views are breathtaking, with the shimmering waters reflecting the stunning skyline and iconic landmarks. As you stroll, you can soak in the vibrant atmosphere, watch boats glide by, and see people enjoying various activities along the waterfront. It's a perfect way to experience the blend of nature and urban life in Singapore. What you're seeing is the Louis Vuitton, LV, boutique, famously known for its stunning standalone building at Marina Bay Sands. As you continue your walk, keep your eyes peeled for the impressive Apple Dome just ahead. This striking glass structure, with its iconic dome shape, houses the Apple Store and is known for its sleek, modern design. The store offers a unique shopping experience, featuring the latest Apple products and stunning views of Marina Bay. Let's pause here and zoom in with your camera to the opposite side. Do you see the iconic Merlion statue from here? This famous symbol of Singapore features a lion's head and a fish's body, representing the city's history as Singapura, or Lion City, and its origins as a fishing village. Let's continue our exploration and discover what makes this area so special. From stunning art installations to vibrant cultural spots, there's so much to see and experience. Keep your eyes open for unique architecture, lively performances, and perhaps even some hidden gems that showcase the rich tapestry of Singapore's culture. The adventure is just beginning. I won't be heading toward Merlion Park on this trip, but don't worry. You can check out my other video to see all the highlights of the Merlion and the surrounding area. It's definitely worth a watch. We're heading straight ahead to another iconic location. Follow me, and let's see what exciting destination awaits us next. You won't want to miss this landmark that's an essential part of Singapore's vibrant scene. Can you guess where we are now? That's right, it's Lau Pa Sat, the most famous and iconic food market in Singapore. Here, you can indulge in a wide variety of local Singaporean cuisine, from sauté skewers to delicious hawker dishes. The vibrant atmosphere and delicious aromas make it a must-visit spot for food lovers. Let's dive in and explore the culinary delights that Lau Pa Sat has to offer. Lau Pa Sat, also known as Lau Pa Sat Festival Market, is an iconic hawker center located in Singapore's central business district. Originally built in 1824 as a wet market, it features a stunning Victorian-style architecture and has been designated as a national monument. The market is famous for its vibrant atmosphere and diverse selection of local delicacies, including satay, Hainanese chicken rice, chili crab, and laksa. In the evenings, it transforms into a lively night market, where additional stalls offer more street food options, creating a festive environment for both locals and tourists. With its rich history, beautiful architecture, and delicious culinary offerings, Lau Pa Sat serves as a cultural hub that showcases Singapore's food heritage and is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the city's unique flavors. From here, let's continue our journey to discover our next iconic destination. As we make our way, keep an eye out for the fascinating sights and sounds that make Singapore so unique. I can't wait to show you what's next on our adventure. As we move along, we'll soon arrive at the only temple in the central business district. Let's keep walking, and soon we'll arrive at Raffles Place. This bustling financial district is known for its impressive skyscrapers, vibrant atmosphere, and iconic landmarks. As we stroll through, you'll see some of the tallest buildings in Singapore, a testament to the city's status as a global financial hub. It's a fantastic spot to soak in the energy of the city and witness the blend of modern architecture with historical significance. Do you see our next destination now? That's right, it's the magnificent Fullerton Hotel. This stunning heritage hotel, housed in a former post office building, is a symbol of luxury and elegance in Singapore. With its beautiful neoclassical architecture and rich history, the Fullerton Hotel has been an iconic landmark since it opened in 1928. It's a perfect spot to admire both the architecture and the surrounding views of Marina Bay. Let's take a moment to appreciate this remarkable site. Let's take a stroll around the Fullerton Hotel and enjoy it from different angles and perspectives. As we walk, you'll notice the intricate architectural details and the beautiful landscaping that surrounds the hotel. Each vantage point offers a unique view, showcasing its grandeur against the backdrop of the Marina Bay skyline. Don't forget to capture some photos. This is a perfect opportunity to appreciate the beauty of one of Singapore's most iconic landmarks. Alright, that brings us to the end of our tour of the Fullerton Hotel. If you keep to the right, you'll find your way to Boat Quay, known for its vibrant dining and nightlife scene. However, in today's video, we'll pause our journey here. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and I hope you enjoyed the sights and stories along the way. Alright, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed our adventure. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified when the next video is ready. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.